So guys, today I'll be going from this to this, all in just a few minutes. Stay with me. This is the other side of the hair, and I'll be teaching you how I achieve this. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you. Thank you for coming back. And if you're joining me for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for coming. I promise you it'll be worth your while. All right, so it's about natural hair around here and easy styles you can wear very regularly. Today, I will be making a very simple Oldu mat weaving Didi. It's popularly called Didi. Hausa call it Hanubiu. In fact, some people call it Zane in some parts of Hausa as well. It's also called two-hand. It's inverted cornrows actually, and so the process is kind of different. So we're doing this now. You know the ritual. Make sure that your hair is very, very, very well moisturized. Please don't work with dry hair. I won't forget to preach that. Don't forget to. And unlike the regular cornrows, this would be different. See how my fingers are fetching the hair and crossing each other. So if you want your hair to face front, the thing about the inverted cornrow is that you have to start from the back. So it goes forward. The regular cornrow, you'd have to start from the front to the back, right? To have all back. But if you want it like that in cornrows, in inverted cornrows, you have to do it from front to back, right? So because I'm making my hair for myself, I have to, make it this way. If someone else were making it for me and I wanted the hair to come to the front, I would have had the person stand in front of me. But this is me making it myself. You get the hang? All right. So you have to make sure that what you're fetching is very small, just like the cornrows. If you have not seen my video on how to make regular cornrows for yourself, I will be dropping the link just right above on this video, so you can click on it, go and watch it, and then you would learn that. All right, so the difference now is that we would be making it in this manner. If you watch this video very carefully, you would see the difference. The explanation is right in the video. I don't even need to talk too much about how to achieve it. So keep fetching, crossing, and make sure that you have a firm hold on your hair. All right, just have a very firm hold on your hair. Now, again, if your hair is dry, it is gonna pain you. It'll be very painful and you don't want that. So make sure your hair is moisturized. What I have in my hair right now is water, more water, less leave-in conditioner, just a little bit of leave-in conditioner mixed with water, and I have it. So let's just do this very quickly. It's on fast forward mode now. Just how you're doing it, fetch and go until you are done. Now let's attend to what we have in front. Before we get to it though, please make sure that what you're making at the back is well tucked in, okay? Round it off completely and then tuck it in so that the hair does not loosen just in the middle of your meeting or something. All right, that's me rounding it off. Please, I'll be posting other videos of what I was able to do with this particular front hair, so turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss them, and other videos I'll be posting on how to take care of your natural hair. Again, I'm going in with my water and leave-in conditioner, dampen it, moisturize it, give it food, feed your hair right. Okay, so just to moisturize this, and then I'm going to tuck it into one side and I'll be good to go. So imagine me just wearing a little bit more makeup and throwing on a handbag. You can bet that I'm good to go. So if you're not a plenty gel person, if you're not a front edges kind of person, you can actually rock your hair like this if you please. But wait, tuck in the front part first. I don't mean like this literally. Just do something with what you have in front. Go in with your comb and make sure that we don't have any rough edges in between or lumps, right? Or any coils. You know, 4C hairs, shrinkage is real. So when you have that done, you can just tuck it into one side as I am doing right now. As I mentioned, this is just one of the things you can do with the front of the hair. I think my next video would be on the second thing I did with that front of the hair. All right, so brush again. For this video, I'll just be going with a little bit of wax. Oh yeah, pin that up, please. Pin it up, don't forget. just to secure it properly, just to give it that extra support. All right. Tell me I'm not good to go. See, I picked up my lashes, but then I changed my mind. And then let me leave it. So that's me going in just to do the edges, and I am good to go in just a few more minutes. Maybe not up to a 1 minute step. So do your edges, do your edges, do your edges, do your edges, do your edges. And I can't wait to round off. As I said, this took me what? I think less than 10 minutes actually. The entire hair took me less than 10 minutes to make. So that's it. That's about it. So for people who want to go in with gel or wax for the entire hair, great. I do not. I just want it like this. My hair is my crown, right? And we have it. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please subscribe. If you like the video, join me again next time. See you. Do watch my next video.